The cash register has been an essential tool in retail transactions for over a century, evolving from a basic mechanical device into the advanced digital systems we use today. Before its invention, business owners relied on handwritten records to track sales, a method that was not only time-consuming but also prone to human error and theft. This growing problem created a demand for a more reliable and secure way to handle transactions, ultimately leading to the creation of one of the most impactful inventions in the retail industry, the cash register. Its journey from a simple anti-theft device to a high-tech point-of-sale system is a fascinating story of innovation. And we're going to explore it right here on History of Simple Things. The story begins in the 1870s with James Ritty, a saloon owner in Dayton, Ohio. Ritty had a serious problem. His employees were skimming money from his business. Frustrated by the losses, he sought a way to track every transaction without relying on the honesty of his staff. His inspiration came during a trip on a steamship, where he noticed a mechanical device that counted the rotations of the ship's propeller. If a machine could keep track of rotations, he reasoned, then a similar mechanism could track sales in his saloon. In 1879, Ritty and his brother John invented the first cash register, known as Ritty's Incorruptible Cashier. This early model had a series of keys corresponding to different sales amounts and a simple dial that recorded transactions. However, despite its ingenuity, Ritty struggled to market the machine effectively. Recognizing the potential of the device, Ritty eventually sold his patent to Jacob H. Eckert, who later passed it on to John H. Patterson, a businessman with a keen eye for innovation. Patterson improved the design and founded the National Cash Register Company, or NCR, in 1884. Under his leadership, cash registers became more practical and user-friendly, with added features like a paper roll to print receipts and a bell that rang with each transaction. This ringing sound became synonymous with sales, reinforcing honesty among employees and signaling successful business operations. Patterson's aggressive sales tactics and focus on customer education helped NCR dominate the market, cementing the cash register as a necessity for businesses. As the 20th century progressed, cash registers evolved from purely mechanical systems into electromechanical devices. In the 1920s and 1930s, manufacturers began incorporating electric motors, which made registers faster and more reliable. These machines could automatically calculate change, reducing errors and improving efficiency. NCR continued to lead the industry, but competitors like Burroughs and IBM also entered the market, pushing innovation forward. By the mid-1900s, cash registers had become an essential part of every retail store, grocery shop, and restaurant, streamlining operations and ensuring accurate record-keeping. The 1970s marked a major turning point with the introduction of electronic cash registers, or ECRs. These machines replaced gears and levers with digital circuits, allowing for more advanced functionalities. One of the biggest advancements was the integration of barcode scanners, which revolutionized the way businesses handled transactions. Instead of manually entering prices, cashiers could simply scan a product's barcode, significantly speeding up the checkout process. The advent of microprocessors also made it possible for cash registers to connect to central databases, enabling better inventory management and sales tracking. The rise of computers in the 1980s and 1990s brought another wave of transformation. cash registers became part of sophisticated point-of-sale or POS systems, integrating software that allowed businesses to track sales in real time, manage customer data, and even handle payroll. Companies like IBM and NCR pioneered these computerized POS systems, which became the standard in retail. Touchscreen technology emerged, replacing physical buttons with interactive digital displays, making cash registers more intuitive and reducing training time for new employees. As the internet took off in the late 1990s and early 2000s, cash registers evolved even further. The rise of e-commerce and mobile payments challenged traditional point-of-sale systems, leading to the development of cloud-based POS solutions. Companies like Square, Shopify, and Clover introduced tablet-based registers that could process transactions anywhere with an internet connection. These systems were not only more portable, but also offered features like remote sales tracking, customer loyalty programs, and automatic software updates. For small businesses, these modern POS solutions provided an affordable and flexible alternative to bulky, expensive traditional cash registers. Today, cash registers are more advanced than ever, blending digital and physical retail experiences. Many modern systems accept a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, mobile wallets, and even cryptocurrency. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being integrated to predict sales trends, optimize inventory, and personalize customer interactions. Self-checkout kiosks, once a novelty, are now commonplace in supermarkets and large retail stores, reducing wait times and allowing customers to scan and pay for their items independently. Despite all these advancements, the core purpose of the cash register remains the same: to process transactions efficiently, keep accurate financial records, and prevent theft. However, as technology continues to evolve, the definition of a cash register is becoming more fluid. With the rise of contactless payments, biometric authentication, and even cashierless stores like Amazon Go, the traditional register may soon become obsolete. Instead of a physical machine, the future of transactions may rely entirely on digital and automated systems. Looking back, the cash register's evolution is a testament to human ingenuity and the ever-changing landscape of commerce. What started as a mechanical solution to employee theft has become a cornerstone of global retail, adapting to technological shifts and consumer demands. From Ritty's incorruptible cashier to AI-powered POS systems, the journey of the cash register reflects the progress of business and technology itself. While the traditional ringing sound of a sale may be fading, the principles of accuracy, efficiency, and security that cash registers introduced will continue to shape the way we conduct transactions for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.